So guys, I got a good question. I know what it means is group and mask like this. I made it before editing that clips. Maybe you already know its function, but for those who don't know, this is very useful. So what I did was just, first, add the clip you want to edit, then add a shape. Next, adjust the shape size to match the size of the clip. Then, select both to create a mask. Now you can edit the video clip as usual. Back to the question. The point is, what for, right? These are some clips that I've already masked, just like I did before. Then, edit all the clips. This looks too flat, so I just thought of adding an overlay and some effects to the clip, but I made it in a separate new project. There are several benefits to separating parts into different projects, such as reducing lag, preventing bugs, and even avoiding forced close. I used many layers just to edit one clip. Imagine if I made it all in one main project. Okay, now export the clip you've edited. Then, save the result. Go back to the main project. So, how do you replace this clip in the main project? This is why I'm masking the clip at the beginning. You can easily replace the clip without changing or re-editing the parts you've already worked on. Especially when editing clips using the parenting tool, masking becomes very useful. So, how do you replace this clip? First, select the clip layer. Then, enter the group using Edit Group. Now you're inside the group, and you can see the two layers before they were masking. Next, replace this clip with the one you want to change. Now this clip has been replaced. Then, you can also do the same with the next clip. Now you understand, right? This is the clips that was previously replaced. Now do the same for the other clips. Even if you don't need masking to cover an object, the process works the same way. And this will be very useful when you make it a preset, so others using your preset will find it easier when they want to replace the clip. Well, that's the answer to the question. Like if these tips are helpful, and see you next time.